Good morning everyone. Welcome back to the Teams classes. And in this session, I would like to discuss about operations on irrational numbers. Operations on irrational numbers. So you are familiar with the four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the four fundamental operations which we have studied in earlier classes. But operations on rational numbers we have studied. But here operations on irrational numbers. Yes. First of all, let us come to know about like irrationals and unlike irrationals. Like irrationals. Like irrationals. Like irrationals means the irrational term should be same. The irrational term should be same. Example, 2 root 3, 7 root 3, 9 root 3. Observe, all irrational factors are same. That's why these are known as like irrationals. Another example, 3 root 5, 7 root 5. 11 root 5. Observe, all irrational factors are same here. In these cases root 5, in these cases root 3. So these are like irrationals. That is example 1, example 2. B. Unlike. Unlike irrationals. Unlike irrationals means the irrational factors are different. Example 1, 2 root 3, 7 root 5, 11 root 7. These are unlike irrationals. So where if the terms are like irrationals, we can perform addition or subtraction. Addition or subtraction. Addition or subtraction possible only if the terms are like irrationals. For unlike irrationals, it is not possible addition and subtraction. We can perform addition or subtraction when the terms are like irrationals. This is very important one. Right. Now we start with the operations one by one here. Right. First one. First operation, addition operation. Before that, I want to introduce how to simplify the irrational terms. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. Observe carefully here. First one, very important one. Note. First one, root of a plus b, root a plus root b. Root of a plus b equal to root a plus root b. It is not possible. Is not equal. Second one, yes, I can take one example here. Let a is equals to 36, b is equals to 4. These are perfect squares. I have taken root of, according to this root of a, what is a value? 36 plus b value 4 equal to root a value what? 36 plus root b value 4. 36 plus 4 is root 40 equal to root 36 value 6, root 4 value 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 never be equal to root 40. That is not equal. Right? Therefore, which will satisfy root of a plus b is not equal to root a plus root b. Similarly, for second one, root of a minus b is not equal to root a minus root b. It is also not possible. Third one, root of a into b is equal to, we can split it root a into root b. Root a into root b. Yes, I can take the same examples. A is equal to 36, b equal to 4. Root of a into b, 36 into 4. Root 36 into root b, 4. 36 into 4 is root 144. Root 36 is 6 into root 4 is 2. Root 144 is 12 equal to 6 2s are 12. Yes, it is possible. Is it clear now? Root of a into b equal to root a into root b. Similarly, fourth one, root of a by b, it can be written as root a by root b. Root a by root b. Yes, where we can take the same example here, root of 36 by 4 equal to root 36 by root 4. Here, 4 1 is 4 9. That is root 9 equal to root 36 is 6. Root 4 is 2. What is root 9 value? 3. Here 2 ones are 2 3s are 3. Yes. So these are the 4 laws which we have to remember to simplify irrational numbers. Right? So root of a plus b never be equal to root a plus root b. Root of a minus b never be equal to root a minus root b. But whereas in into and division, it is possible root of a into b is equals to root a into root b. Root of a by b is equals to root a by root b. Right. Let us take one problem, root 48. Root 48. How to simplify root 48? It is very simple. If you know multiplication table easily, we can simplify it. See, observe here, which is involving one perfect square. Which is involving one perfect square, that is 16. Because of 16 3s are 48. 16 into 3. 16 3s are 48. So, as I mentioned in the previous, root a into b can be written as root a into root b. Similarly, here root 16 into root 3. What about root 16? It is 4. Root 3 is a alone. That is 4 root 3 is simplified form of root 48. So, in case if you are not possible to get, if you are not able to get, like splitting the term 48 like 16 into 3. So, how to simplify? Very simple. Observe here 48. I am giving you another way how to simplify root 48. Yes. Here you can simplify 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are. Here 2 1 is 2 2s are. 2 6 times, 2 3 times. These are the prime factors of 48. Prime factors of 48. Yes. So we are finding root 48 square root of 48 prime factors we have here. Now I am going to take a pair. 2 into 2, it is 2 square. Another 2 into 2, 2 square. So it is alone, that is 3 only. By this law, we can split the root 2 square. Square root 2 square into root 3. Square and root cancel, square and root can cancel. Therefore, 2 into root 3. That is equals to 2 2s are 4 root 3. Yes, this is the way we have to simplify an irrational number. Right? So, let us go with the second problem. Yes, second one. Root 45. Root 45 is equals to. Yes, we know that 9 5 is 45. 9 into 5. Here, root 9 into root 5. We can split the root for both the terms. Root 9 is 3, root 5 as it is. This is the simplified form. Similarly, root 32, that is root of 16 into 2. 16 2s are 32, because 16 is a perfect square. Square root 16 into square root 2. What about root 16? Root 16 is 4. Is it clear now? Otherwise, in the previous way, we have to simplify. We have to find out the factors, prime factors, and simplify. That is also another way. So, fourth one. Root 450. Root 450. Here, yes, we can simplify here. 450. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5. Yes, observe here 225 is a perfect square which we know. 225 is a perfect square. What is the square root of 225? 50. Yes, here square root of 450 is nothing but 225 into 2. It can be split 225 root into root 2. Root 225 is 15 root 2. Is it clear? Right. Fifth one. Fifth one. 72 root 72. Here also the same thing we can proceed. 72 we can split here. Take 6. 6 1 is 6. Otherwise you take 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 36 is a perfect square. Right. Square root of 36 into 2. That is equals to square root 36 into root 2. That is equals to 6. Because of 6 is the square root of 36. 6 root 2. It is the simplified form of root 72. Yes, of course we do some more problems like this. Right. Observe now, square root of 1024. Square root of 1024. See, observe here. 1024. We simplify 2 into 2 5 is 10. 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 10. Again 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 10. 256 is a perfect square. If you know, it is well. Otherwise, we continue the process. 2 1 is 2 2, 2 2s are 4, 16, 2 8s are 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 12. Yes, 64 is a perfect square. Is that clear now? Yes, where you can stop. Otherwise, you continue the process. Now, I am going to return as this can be written as 2 into 2, that is 2 square. Yes, as I mentioned, we are going to make the pair, right? Therefore, another 2 square, another 64, which can be split now. Root 2 square into root 2 square into root 64. Square and root cancel, square and root cancel. 2 into 2, 4 into. What about root 64? Root 64 is 8. 8 4 is 30. Yes, it is not irrational number, it is a rational number. Is it clear now? Right. In this process, we have to solve some more problems. Is it clear now? Right. So now, seventh problem. Root 75. Here we can simplify the 75, means we can find the prime factors of 75. I am going to take 5 because of units place contains 5. 5 1 is 5. Remaining 2, 25. 5 is 25. Again, I am going to take 5. 5 3 is 7. So, which we have a pair that is 5 square. Therefore, root of 5 square into 3. So, root of 5 square into 3. That is root 5 square into root 3. Square and root cancel. 5 root 3. It is the simplified form of root 75. Is it clear now? Right. So, 8. Root 430. Root 430. Yes, we simplify 432. 2 2s are 4, 2 1 is 2 2s are 4, 2 1 is 2, remaining 12, 2 6 are. Again we continue, 2 1 is 2, 1 is not divisible by 2, put 0. Here 16 now, 2 8 are. Again 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are. Again 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 4. Again 3 9s are. Again 3 right? Therefore, we can write this root 432 as by taking pair of numbers 2 into 2, here 3 into 3. Observe now, 2 into 2 is 2 square, another 2 into 2 is 2 square, another 3 into 3 is 3 square, and there is one more alone number, single number, that is 3. Therefore, we can split this root for all the terms, root 2 square into root 2 square into root 3 square into root 3 square root square and root square and root get cancelled. Now we multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 root 3. Is it clear? So you have to practice these well, and I am giving you some homework problems. You have to practice well. So root 250 108. Third one 80. Root 175. Fifth one root these problems you have to practice. Yes, let us start with the first operation, addition. Addition or subtraction. Addition or subtraction. So this is based on the symbol, right? If. So I am giving it here. If terms are like, then only addition or subtraction exists. Subtraction possible, right? And also second one, if signs are same, signs of like terms are same, then we add rational terms and write irrational term as it is. Irrational term and write irrational term and keep the sign as it is. Clear now? Right. If signs of like terms are same, then we add rational terms and write irrational term, keep the sign as it is. Second one, if signs are different of like terms, then we subtract the terms and keep large number sign. Yes, these are the rules we have to follow for addition or subtraction. If terms are like, then only addition or subtraction possible. If signs of like terms are same, then we add rational terms and write irrational term and keep the sign as it is. If signs are different of like terms, then we subtract the terms and keep large number sign. Yes, of course, for rational numbers also we have followed the same rule. We used to follow the same rule, right now? Yes. Now, I am going to solve some problems based on the operations addition or subtraction. Right? So, observe now. First one. Root 3 plus 5 root 3. First, we have to observe whether the given terms are like or unlike. In case, if the terms are unlike, we keep them as it is. If they are like, then only we perform addition or subtraction. Clear now? Based on the signs. Observe root 3. Root 3 is an irrational term which is same. Therefore, they are like. Irrational terms are same, which we consider as like terms. And root 3 before, what is the rational number? 1. And observe here, what is the sign of these? Both having plus, both having same sign, we can add up. So while adding, keep concentrate. Always we can add up rational numbers only. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 root 3. Otherwise, take common factor. The common factor is root 3. The rest of the thing 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6 root 3. This is the actual procedure. But it is all not necessary again and again while solving the problems. Only keep concentrate on my word. If they are like, we can observe the rational numbers and sign. Signs are same. We can add up the rational number. 1 plus 5, 6. The rest of the thing, that is irrational factor, as it is we mentioned. Second, 5 root 2 plus 7 root 2 minus 6 root 2. Observe now. First, we can add like terms. Here all are like terms. Root 2 irrational factor. The irrational factor is same. Therefore, which we considered as like terms. Here 5, it has plus symbol. 7, it has plus. So both we can add up first. 5 plus 7, 12 root 2 minus 6 root 2. Now it has plus. 6 has minus, different sign. What we have to do? Subtract. 12 minus 6, 6 root 2. Did you understand? So now we have to solve some more problems like this. Third problem. Root 32 plus root 18 plus root 50. First, we have to simplify these terms. Right now? So root 32 and root 18, root 50 we can simplify first. Root 32, I can mention root of 16 into 2. 16 to the 32. Root 16 value, yes, I will mention here. Root 16 value 4 and root 2 as it is. Next, root 18. This can be root of 9 into 2. 9 to the 18. Root 9 value 3 root 2. And root 50. This is root of 25 into 2, root 25 into 250. What is root 25? 5 root 2. Clear now? Therefore, we can add up all. What is root 32 simplified form? 4 root 2 plus root 18 is 3 root 2 plus 5 root 2. Now observe, all are like root 2, root 2, root 2, like terms, and we can add 4 plus 3 plus 5. Because of rational factors only, we can add 4 plus 3 plus 5, 12 root 2. Yes, this is the simplified form of the given mathematical expression. Is it clear now? Right. Fourth one. Root 27 plus root 12 minus (175). Yes, first we have to simplify the terms. Root 27. Root 27 can be root of 9 into 3. 9 is a perfect square. That's why I have mentioned like this. Root 9 value 3 root. Root 12 can be root of 4 into 3. What about root 4 value? 2. Root 3 alone, that is single. Therefore, root 175. Root 175. See, if you don't know the term, if you don't know how to simplify the 175 term, very simple as I mentioned, 175. You find the prime factors by taking 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Remaining 2, 25, 5 5. Again here 5 7. Now root 5 into 5, 5 square into 7. Root 5 square into root 7. Square and root cancel, 5 root 7. Is it clear? Yes. Therefore, root 27, what is root 27 value? 3 root 3. There is plus. Root 12 to root 3 minus, this is 5 root 7. Observe. Root 3 term, only these two terms containing root 3 irrational factor. These two are considered as like terms. Only we can perform either addition or subtraction based on like terms. It is unlike, because of irrational factor is 7, root 7. Now, these two are like, both having same sign. We can add up 3 plus 2, 5 root 3. Clear now? Minus 5 root 7. Yes. Observe now. Here irrational factor root 3, irrational factor root 7. These are unlike. We cannot perform addition or subtraction. Even if you want to get simplified, take 5 as common factor, but not necessary.